up. Slow down. I'm just getting ready to get around. Not really sure who's all here. Probably getting their bikes warmed up. I think they're getting ready. Things are starting up kind of weird lately. It's firing up weird? Yeah. I think their valves are out again. Guys made it this far in the video, you guys must like this type of content. So make sure you guys hit subscribe if you guys want to see more stuff by the Brapaholics. This is freaking nuts. What? This is gonna be nuts here. Yeah, I'm not ripping here. I don't think I'm going to either. There's two. Yeah. Is that closer? No, that's Preston. What? Preston. Oh, Preston. Lifted in front of me. All of a sudden he started getting the tail end. I'm like, give it gas. Woo, over. I'm like, whoa, really missed up. I'm trying to get everybody to stop. I'm like, holy crap, you guys. Yeah. Like, this will be fun. There was a tree up there last year. What's that? There was a tree up there last year. Yeah, I don't know if it is anymore. Yeah, I seen it. What do you say? Tail happy? Tail it. Just, oh, I fucking tried. Okay. Tail happy, like, oh, he's gonna lose it. Whoop. Alright, I can't hit him. Hey, get everybody stop. I think Isaiah's here. What? I think Isaiah's here. Is that who that was? I thought so, the white guy. Yeah, I looked where it was. I wanted to say hi to everybody. Is that Isaiah? That's idling high. Yeah, it is. It's my brother-in-law's bike. I'm not really used to it a whole lot. My 125, the clutch took a shit. You'll get shot. Oh yeah. I thought it. He wiped out hard. Oh, he's out hard. Oh, got a little tail happy. Woo, ready with a handlebar. Oh. I might hit that once. I think. Yep. Someone lost it on a rock.
Yeah, so did you see mine?
Yeah, you about did. That rock kicked out.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna try. There's gonna be behind us.
Yeah.
Die yet? Only one person fall.
Actually, his bike.
Yeah. That was right in front of me. I almost hit him. I know. I was like, woo! I was right behind you. I was like, oh shit. No, I went over a bank and the front tire was inside of the climb and then just turned and then going down.
You guys the last one?
Huh?
You the only one?
I think so. I thought I saw you behind us. There was supposed to be 3 behind me back there for like 10 minutes and I couldn't hear shit.
Alright. Yeah, and I waited for you guys. I thought I was the last one.
I didn't know if they took their head off on that tree right at the beginning of the trip.
Yeah, anybody got a pair of pliers to tighten up a bolt?
Nah, on the dirt bike.
Oh man.
I thought you...
It's still there, it's just not where you think it is.
1 minute it's here, 1 minute it's there.
Yeah.
Hey, just yank up on
it.
Yeah. You'll find it. That or worse comes to worse, just slam it.
I should have brought a toolkit in my bag.
Yeah, I brought extra spark plugs and no wrench. What that?
Way to go, dumbass.
Yep. Oh yeah, no, I deserve that one.
Should we wait or keep going?
Keep going. Yeah, just keep going. I couldn't hear them.
Well, we didn't hear you guys till right now.
Yeah.
Oh man. Gonna be able to keep up? Yeah. Alright. I'm good. What's up with that thing?
It's pouring way too much fuel. It's got a high idle.
Oh boy. I'm turning the idle fluid off. Yep, fire it up. That's better. Shut up! What? Did you good? Kicking my ass. Wouldn't be fun if it's not.
Right? You get that on GoPro?
Oh yeah.
You get that on GoPro?
Oh, got some issues. Oh snap! Guys, we are done for the night. It was a nice ride. We hit just the regular trails with that big group, and then we finally split off and hit the single tracks for about an hour or so. Had a couple crashes, avoided them. Yeah, one was right in front of me. Yeah. He went right over the handlebars.